Welcome to the new and freshly released PropHero Portfolio app, where we help you find, buy, and manage your entire investment portfolio from a single convenient location. Join me as I showcase all the exciting new features that will give you the edge in property investing. Here on the home screen, you will find the properties carefully selected by your property coach after they have passed our extensive due diligence checks. By clicking onto a property, you'll be able to dive into all the property and location details that make it a great investment. As you can see, we monitor each stage that you're at, whether that's search mode, contract negotiation, settlement, or rental. On this page, you will also be able to find your strategic brief, key property financials, our PropHero expert scoring, general information including investment highlights and things to consider, tenancy, condition report, inspection schedules, and risk analysis, where we take a close look at bushfire risk, flood risk, noise risk, easement risk, and even history risk. We even have a map that highlights key points of interest close to the property, such as schools, transports, or supermarkets. As we move across to the location tab, this is where our data highlights the key metrics behind why this suburb is primed for growth. By looking at timing, market dynamics, supply and demand, macroeconomics, and risk. When it comes to property investment, both time in the market and timing the market are important for capital growth. Our data model helps us understand when is the best time to buy, and for this Queensland suburb, that time is now, as prices are increasing by more than $3,500 a month. Next, we look at market dynamics for this property by measuring historical price and rental growth, as well as yield evolution. We also take a close look at supply and demand metrics, such as listing evolution compared to the state and national averages, vacancy rates, and much more, such as stock on market and days on market. At the macroeconomic level, we unpack gross state product, economic diversification, median household weekly incomes, any demographic and population changes, and unemployment rates. We also unpack the infrastructure pipeline, showcasing key projects that will drive property value, accessibility, safety, and overall attractiveness of the area. And finally, we even take a look at what the locals are saying, giving you the inside scoop on how the residents feel about the area. In the Financials tab, we give you control to adjust all the key inputs personal to you so that you can model the expected gross yield, weekly cash flow, and profit from your investment. By expanding each of these fields, you are free to adjust accordingly. Purchase price, for example, your initial deposit, how much rent you're getting for the property, and the current interest rate that you're on. As you can see, if your interest rate is currently 6.2%, you're experiencing negative cash flow. As these rates start to come down, you may see this turn positive. We even have other fields such as property inputs, where you can put in renovation and depreciation amounts, home loan inputs, rental inputs, which will affect your gross rental return, such as council rates, water rates, strata, landlord insurance, and even your property manager rates. We even have a section for growth assumptions and tax inputs. Coming back to the home page, we can also take a bird's eye view in the dashboard page, where you can track all of your capital gains across your entire portfolio. You can even add new properties to your portfolio. And in the feed page, you can check out any outstanding notifications from our team. All of this and so much more awaits you. Get started today with PropHero. We look forward to partnering with you on your lifelong investment journey and road to financial freedom.